Hello and welcome to your virtual tour of the Exeter College City Centre sites. My name's Kerry and you'll be hearing from my colleagues in the college advice team during the tour. We're going to start the tour here at our Hill Road site. The Hill Road site is a 10-minute walk from St David's train station, and we'll be talking more about travel options later on.
Behind me is our £10.3 million Digital and Data Centre, part of the South West Institute of Technology, allowing our students access to cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art IT facilities.
This is the Hill building. This has healthcare, childcare and the public services courses, and also a brand new learning resource centre with nice communal space to plug your laptop in, and you can book out computers there as well.
This is the Ted Ragg building, which is the base for the Faculty of Foundation Learning and Support. You may be studying in here if you're studying one of our Level 1 courses, our GCSE Fast Track course or our Gateway courses. In the Ted Ragg building you'll find classrooms, a kitchen, computer rooms, as well as one of the entrances to the Tower coffee shop.
This is the Tower building. It has 9 floors and has English, languages, the International Baccalaureate and humanities subjects, which includes psychology, law and geography. It also has a lecture theatre, 2 learning resource centres and a cafe.
This is the Lawrence building, where our hospitality and catering and hair and beauty courses are based. Inside the building we have a salon, a spa, a skills kitchen and our on-site restaurant at 34, which is open to members of the public. This is our Maths and Science Centre, just a few minutes walk away from our Hill Road site. Inside you can study various Maths and Science A-level subjects. There are laboratories, classrooms and a student study space.
We've now moved along Queen Street and are standing right outside Exeter Central Railway Station. At the end of the road you'll find the High Street, and the bus station is around a 10-minute walk from here. You will also see the cream-coloured building just past the hotel, and this is the Centre for Music Performance, or CMP. In the CMP you will find practice spaces, computer rooms with all the latest music technology software and fantastic recording studios. Behind me you'll see Victoria House. Victoria House is the base for the faculties of Business, Tourism and Adventure, as well as the Faculty of Sport and Physical Education. Within Vic House you'll find fantastic facilities including IT suites, a recently renovated cafe and a learning resource centre. Our outdoor adventure courses are based at Haven Banks.
Inside this building we have our sports hall, which is the size of 6 badminton courts. We have Central Fitness. Our new gym for college students is currently £50. Just above it we have our dance studio. As well as this we have our sports therapy clinics and classrooms. We also have a sports pavilion a few minutes walk away in Exeter with rugby and football pitches, a full-size 3G rubber crumb pitch and tennis courts.
The Future Skills Centre near Exeter Airport is also used for our travel and tourism courses.
This is our Centre for Creative Industries building, where our art and design and media and performing arts courses are based. Inside, our art and design facilities include exhibition spaces, studio spaces for graphic design and fashion and textiles, and a photography darkroom. Our media and performing arts facilities include a TV studio and radio station, rehearsal spaces and a theatre. There's also a cafe and LRC where you can borrow equipment and purchase art supplies.
We hope you've enjoyed your tour of the Exeter College City Centre sites today. To find out more, please see our faculty-specific videos, as these include the opportunity to see our Technology Centre for Engineering and Automotive, as well as Falcon House for Construction and Haven Banks for Outdoor Adventure. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, please do get in touch, and thank you for watching.